How to hide your online status on Skype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your online status on Skype so you can stay invisible while still using the app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Skype app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you are here in your profile section, you can see the option label active under your username. So simply tap on the arrow button beside that option. And from the drop down menu, you can simply tap on do not disturb or OPT out. And after tapping on these options, your status will be invisible, and that's it. Now you have hidden from others while still being active. And that's how you can hide your online status on Skype. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.